Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to configure SMTP with GoDaddy's Microsoft email solution, doing this on a WordPress website. To start things off, begin in your GoDaddy My Products page. Scroll down to where you find it says Email and Office, and click to unnest the various products that you have underneath. Find the email address that you want to use for your SMTP, and look for where it should say Manage. Here I don't see that option, so I'm going to go up to where it says Manage All. In this dashboard, locate the email once again that you want to use, and there click Manage. And in this dashboard, you'll want to scroll down to where you find Advanced Settings. Click on that, and it will load SMTP authentication. Switch it from off to on, click Continue, and give it just a second to load. Now we'll go into the WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins and Add New. And we'll search for a plugin called Fluent SMTP. We'll install it and activate the plugin. Now the plugin's been added, we'll now scroll down and go into Fluent SMTP settings. And here we'll select Microsoft. We'll enter in the email address that we want to use for the SMTP. Include a from name. I'm just going to put me. Then scroll down and you'll find a link here for documentation to set up the API keys. We'll click on that. We'll scroll down until you find a link that will take you to the portal for Microsoft Azure. Click on that link. And once we're in this dashboard, go up to the top and search for App Registration and open that up. Here we'll add a new registration. The name we'll just put in Fluent SMTP. Then select the third radio button down. That's for multi-tenant personal Microsoft accounts. Then under Redirect URI options, go to Web and we'll enter in an address that takes you to a place on your server. I've dropped this link as an example into the description for the video. Click Register. Now that this is set up, we'll go up to Application Client ID and we'll copy that to our clipboard. Go back into the settings for Fluent SMTP and we'll paste that here where it says Application Client ID. Then go back into the Azure portal where it says Client Credentials, add a certificate or secret, and then we'll add a new client secret. Once again, we'll use Fluent SMTP, and we'll make the expiration 24 months. Click Add. Here we'll select value and copy that to our clipboard, back into the plugin, and underneath Application Client Secret, we'll paste that value in there. If the app callback URL is blank, use the address that we entered in as the web address within the Azure portal. Once that's done, click Authenticate with Microsoft Office 365. It should sign you in automatically. If not, then just sign in. Consent and accept. Now you'll have a new code that you want to copy and go back into your settings. Underneath access token, paste those in. And then last thing you want to do is save connection settings. Now that this is done, you are all set. That's everything you need. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.